Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to receive wire transfer with Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. Whether you want to receive domestic or international wire transfers into your Bluevine account, this video is going to show you how. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app, and then go to account info. Here you're going to find your Bluevine routing number and your account number. Next, if you're receiving a domestic wire transfer, just provide the sender with your Bluevine account number, your routing number, and your business name as it appears on the account. Next, if you're expecting an international wire, then confirm with Bluevine support, because some international wires may require an intermediary bank, so make sure you double check instructions before sharing details. Step 5 is after the sender initiates the wire, you're going to log into Bluevine and check the transactions tab for updates. Domestic wires typically arrive the same business day, while international transfers may take 2 to 3 business days. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.